Here I have DONGFENG Box, and let me show you how to enable the emergency brake assist in this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the car icon right here, and from the following view you need to go to the fifth tab, which is the driving assist. And here under the collision assist, if you have the forward collision warning enabled, you can also enable the emergency brake assist. Let me enable this feature, and right now the car will automatically apply the brakes if a collision is imminent to save your life or reduce damage. So I highly recommend to have this feature enabled. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.